Wooden crafts, home decor ideas, and projects have become a defining movement in modern interiors because they combine affordability, authenticity, and aesthetic appeal in a way that mass-produced items rarely achieve. In a world saturated with factory-made furniture and fast decor trends, buyers are increasingly searching for pieces that feel warm, sustainable, and meaningful, objects that tell a story rather than simply fill a space. Wood, with its natural grain, organic texture, and timeless character, answers that desire beautifully. Even the simplest wooden project, whether a handcrafted wall shelf, a minimalist coffee table, or a small decorative tray, carries a presence that feels grounded and real. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. Wooden crafts decor proves that style does not require extravagance. It requires thoughtfulness, balance, and an appreciation for natural materials. Affordability is one of the most powerful aspects of wooden crafts home decor. Many projects can be created from reclaimed timber, leftover construction materials, or locally sourced wood at a fraction of the cost of store-bought designer items. With basic tools and a modest workspace, creators can transform simple planks into elegant, modern pieces that rival high-end retail products. This accessibility democratizes good design, allowing individuals with limited budgets to curate beautiful interiors. Instead of settling for cheap synthetic decor that lacks durability and warmth, homeowners can craft or purchase handmade wooden pieces that offer longevity and character. The combination of low material cost and high perceived value creates a compelling opportunity not only for personal use, but also for income generation. The aesthetic appeal of wooden crafts projects lies in their versatility. Wood adapts effortlessly to various design styles, from Scandinavian minimalism to rustic farmhouse, from industrial chic to contemporary elegance. A slim floating shelf made from sanded pine can complement a modern apartment just as easily as a reclaimed oak bench can enhance a cozy living room. The simplicity of clean lines and natural finishes aligns with the broader movement toward uncluttered, mindful living. In smaller homes especially, wooden decor brings warmth without overwhelming the space. A carefully crafted wall organizer or compact side table provides both function and beauty, demonstrating that practical items can also be artistic expressions. Sustainability plays an equally significant role in why buyers are gravitating toward handmade wooden decor. As awareness of environmental impact grows, consumers are reevaluating their purchasing habits. Fast furniture, often made from low-quality composites, contributes to waste and lacks durability. In contrast, wooden crafts projects emphasize reuse, repair, and longevity. Reclaimed wood carries history, reducing demand for new resources while offering unique textures that cannot be replicated. Even newly sourced wood, when responsibly harvested, remains a renewable material with a lower environmental footprint compared to many synthetic alternatives. Buyers increasingly appreciate decor that aligns with their values, and handmade wooden pieces symbolize a commitment to thoughtful consumption. Beyond environmental considerations, there is an emotional dimension to handmade wooden decor that machine-made items cannot replicate. The visible grain patterns, slight imperfections, and subtle variations in tone remind us that each piece is unique. These details foster a sense of connection between maker and user. When someone places a handcrafted wooden shelf in their home, they are not simply installing storage, they are introducing an object shaped by human hands and intention. This emotional resonance transforms decor into something meaningful, elevating it from a commodity to a conversation piece. In an era dominated by digital interactions and disposable goods, tangible authenticity feels refreshing and grounding. For creators, wooden crafts projects offer a powerful pathway to redefine spaces while generating lasting opportunity. Starting with simple, affordable projects allows beginners to develop skills and confidence without significant financial risk. A small wall-mounted rack, a handcrafted picture frame, or a minimalist plant stand can serve as both practice and product. As techniques improve, larger and more intricate items become achievable, expanding the potential market. The demand for budget-friendly yet aesthetic decor continues to rise, particularly among younger buyers furnishing their first apartments or seeking unique accents for compact homes. This demographic values originality and sustainability, making handmade wooden decor especially appealing. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments and tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting, and decor lovers. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. Please consider subscribing and smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you. Modern design trends reinforce the appeal of wood as a primary material. Neutral color palettes, natural textures, and functional simplicity dominate contemporary interiors. Wooden crafts projects seamlessly integrate into these aesthetics, enhancing spaces without dominating them. A light wood coffee table with smooth edges can anchor a living room while maintaining openness. A set of wooden wall panels arranged in geometric patterns can add dimension without clutter. These projects demonstrate that affordable decor does not equate to compromise. Rather, it offers creative freedom to shape environments in personal and innovative ways. The economic potential of wooden crafts home decor extends beyond individual projects. As creators refine their style and establish a recognizable aesthetic, opportunities for small business growth emerge. Online marketplaces and social media platforms provide accessible channels to showcase handcrafted pieces to a global audience. The narrative behind each item, whether crafted from reclaimed barn wood or shaped from locally sourced timber, adds value that differentiates it from mass-produced alternatives. Buyers are often willing to pay more for products that feel authentic and ethically made. This willingness translates into sustainable profit margins for makers who maintain quality and consistency. Moreover, wooden crafts projects encourage a mindset of resourcefulness. Instead of discarding leftover materials, creators learn to see potential in every offcut. A narrow scrap can become a decorative trim. A small block can transform into a candle holder or bookend. This philosophy reduces waste and enhances profitability by maximizing material use. The process itself becomes a creative exercise, reinforcing the idea that limitations inspire innovation. In compact workshops or shared living spaces, this approach proves particularly valuable, allowing meaningful production without extensive infrastructure. Ultimately, wooden crafts home decor ideas and projects embody a harmonious blend of affordability, aesthetics, and authenticity. They empower individuals to shape their surroundings with intention while responding to a growing market demand for sustainable and meaningful products. Buyers searching for warmth and originality find satisfaction in handcrafted wood pieces that reflect care and craftsmanship. Creators discover that simple tools, modest materials, and thoughtful design can redefine spaces and generate lasting opportunity. Through the transformation of raw timber into functional art, wooden crafts decor becomes more than a hobby. It becomes a movement that celebrates human creativity, environmental responsibility, and the enduring beauty of natural materials. Thank you for spending your time with Decor Ideas and being part of our creative woodworking and decor journey. We hope this video inspired you to see new possibilities in craftsmanship and home decor. Your thoughts truly matter to us, so feel free to share your ideas, suggestions, or feedback in the comments, and let us know which designs or techniques you'd love to see next. If you enjoyed this creation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family who love crafting and decor inspiration. Stay connected with Decor Ideas for more creative woodworking projects and inspiring decor transformations. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.